Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you the question answers of Islamiyat. And the question number 1 is, how many surahs are there in the Holy Quran? How many surahs are there in the Holy Quran? And the answer is, there are 114 surah in the Holy Quran. I'm repeating the answer. There are 114 surahs in the Holy Quran. And the next question is, which is the longest surah in the Holy Quran? Which is the longest surah in the Holy Quran? And the answer is, the longest surah in the Holy Quran is Surah Baqarah. The longest surah in the Holy Quran is Surah Baqarah. Thank you, student. Take care.